Welcome back. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to say that I have something. Now, in order to do that, we're first going to take a look again at a verb that we previously learned, 있다, meaning to exist. Here are some examples. 교실에 학생들이 많이 있어요. There are many students in the classroom. 우리 집에 소금이랑 설탕이 있어요. There is salt and sugar at my house. And this verb ita can also be used in the same way to say to have, such as I have something. Note, however, that ita is still a descriptive verb and literally means to exist. So although it can also translate as to have, it would never use the object marker. Here's an example of what I mean. 저는 시간이 많이 있어요. I have a lot of time. Now, this sentence literally means, as for me, there is or there exists a lot of time. Remember again that ita means to exist. So if you were to say 저는 시간을 많이 있어요 with the object marker, it would be incorrect. We also learned this verb, 가지다, as meaning to have something or to carry something with you. And we used it in the form 가지고 싶다 as 가지고 싶어요 to say that you want to have something. You can also use 가지다 in the form 가지고 있다 or 갖고 있다 to mean that you currently have or are currently carrying something with you. For example, 우리 집에 모자가 있어요. I have a hat at my house. Or 모자를 가지고 있어요. I currently have a hat, as in I'm probably carrying it with me. Note that 가지고 있다 is only used for things that you could possibly carry with you. Therefore, you can't use 가지고 있다 to say that you have a brother or a sister or that you have two eyes. But you could use 있다 to say that those exist. Alright, so now I want you to try using these two verbs, ita and 가지고 있다, with the following 6 vocabulary words. Some of them will only use one or the other, and others of them will be able to use both forms. So pause the video here and give this a try. Here are the answers. 저는 코가 있어요. I have a nose. 저는 컴퓨터가 있어요. I have a computer. Or 저는 컴퓨터를 가지고 있어요. I have a computer. 저는 여드름이 있어요. I have acne. 저는 태극기가 있어요. I have a Korean flag. Or 저는 태극기를 가지고 있어요. I have a Korean flag. 저는 지갑이 있어요. I have a wallet. Or 저는 지갑을 가지고 있어요. I have a wallet. 저는 질문이 있어요. I have a question.
저는 코가 있어요. 저는 컴퓨터가 있어요. 저는 컴퓨터를 가지고 있어요. 저는 여드름이 있어요. 저는 태극기가 있어요. 저는 태극기를 가지고 있어요. 저는 지갑이 있어요. 저는 지갑을 가지고 있어요. 저는 질문이 있어요.
So, in this lesson, we learned how to say I have using the verbs ita as well as 가지고 있다. So, practice everything that we did here, and I'll see you again in the next lesson. 그럼 다음에 또 봐!